In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Photopea. First, head over to your Photopea project and create a text layer so you have something to apply the font to. To do this, select the Type tool from the left side of your screen, click anywhere on the canvas, and start typing your text. Before changing the font, select the Move tool from the left toolbar, then press and hold the Space key on your keyboard and move your canvas slightly to the right. This gives you a clear live preview area so you can easily see how different fonts will look as you browse through them. Once your text is positioned properly, double-click on the text to select it. At the top of your screen, click on the font name and a drop-down list of all available fonts will appear. You can hover your mouse over any font in this list to preview how it looks on your text in real time. Continue hovering over different fonts until you find the one you like, then simply click on it to apply it. Another way to change fonts is by using the character panel. Select your text again, then click on the character icon on the right side of your screen. From this panel, click on the font drop-down arrow and hover over different fonts to preview them before selecting one. If you do not see the character panel, click on the window option at the top of your screen and enable character to make it visible. And this is how you can change font in Photopea.